is, the courts have ruled that even though there is no doubt the men are actually innocent, they can't be released from prison. Kevin Strickland is 61 and has been in prison for 43 years since he was 18, convicted of a triple homicide by Jacksonville prosecutors. Lamar Johnson, he's been in prison for 26 years since he was 21, convicted of a murder in St. Louis. Missouri lawmakers passed a bill a few weeks ago that would finally give prosecutors in both counties the legal mechanism to vacate both men's convictions. There's just one problem. Missouri Governor Mike Parson hasn't signed the bill into law, but there's another way. The governor could grant pardons to both Mr. Strickland and Mr. Johnson with the stroke of a pen. In a statement just a couple of days ago, he said that in the case of Mr. Strickland, this just wasn't a priority. He didn't even bother addressing the case of Mr. Johnson, which hasn't gotten the same publicity that Mr. Strickland's case has. Infuriating, right? But it gets worse. Remember the McCloskeys, the gun-toting white couple who pointed assault rifles at peaceful protesters last year in St. Louis? The same couple who's being prosecuted by Kim Gardner, a black woman and county attorney, on firearms charges, minor charges that they could get probation for. But as soon as those charges were announced, the Missouri Attorney General made it quite clear that he would immediately pardon the white couple if they were convicted. Yes, the double standard is obvious.